Welcome everyone, welcome to part 3 of this beautiful project, okay, where our aim is to complete this project, isn't it? Okay, moving forward, we've linked in earlier classes we did link the architectural file, isn't it? We did level 1, level 2, isn't it? And what I did was I just created a new level 1 for spacing. Okay, what I did was right click, duplicate with detailing. Okay, we got this view. Okay, now so what's our aim now? Okay, general type VG, and tell your friend elevation markers to say adios. Okay, but see here it is blocked. Now how do I get it unblocked? It's called your template. Your template means your IT, not template, IT, you say your template. He is causing you headache. Isn't just say adios for all of them. Okay, and you go to view range and see uncheck also. So you know you are happy with everyone. Okay, any comments? We are back. Here in level 1 space VG, they are unblocked. We want to remove the elevations, isn't it? It looks headache. I want to use the whole screen. Beautiful. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to analyze tab. Why analyze? You're going to create spaces and analyze, isn't it? Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to click up to ceiling 1. That's the reason he had kept that ceiling, isn't it? 0. Okay, so before you come down, just press space, click one space. You will not be able to click one space because there is a warning. Okay, give me the answer why I can't place a space. Okay, there is a warning here. You get something, an error here. Why was that warning? Okay, I want you to give me in the comment section. Okay, we are back. Yeah, we'd say up to ceiling 1, level 0. Place one space. Just place one space for some settings to be done. Because we do not have any setting. Can we do the settings here? No, we can't set it. So we have to space 1 and then for the rest see now we can place. Okay, so what you do is select this space. I forgot to put tag on placement, doesn't matter, we will put it. Okay, what type of space is this? This is a building, office building, place office enclosed. Okay, if anything all good, you can, if you like change anything, change it. Say okay. Okay, then you're going to create a similar. Where is create similar? This one, tag on place, create everything. You should get 24 spaces. That means 21 plus, isn't it? I hope this is clear. Okay, next story is how to rename, change the name. Okay, this is good. We need to have the same. Generally we would have the room. I think the next video or something, or another video, I teach you the exact procedure how to we move forward in Revit. In the sense, Revit, what's the hidden procedure for Revit? There is some procedure to follow. You follow this procedure, you never make mistake in Revit. Okay. Anyway, my question is now, how do we create room not room schedule? I want to have the space. This is called space number and space name. I want to have it the same space name and space number should be equal to the room number, and space name should be equal to room name. How do I get it? I can copy, right type one by one. Okay, if I am free I would do this, but if I am not free, if I want to do it fast in the sense with efficiency, okay, this is called one by one I have to do. Okay, I want you to do in the comment section how would I do it. Okay, I move forward and I show you in the next class how to do it. Okay, I've done it now, just in a click. Okay, I hope this much is clear. I can't find this. What I can do is select one, tag, create similar, place on this. Okay, everything has been done by John. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. We're going to see each other in the next class. This is just plenum, empty space. Make sure I select the tag, not the space. He's giving me a warning. He says, John, this looks good. Okay, what is this? Empty space. Tag. I have just deleted the shaft. Okay. Anyway, we all see each other in the next class. He asked me to save the project. I said no. This is the project. We're going to do the whole MEP work in this project. Okay. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful alien class. One more story. Remember, spaces and all will be created here. You might even create equipments in floor plan. You're never going to create duct in floor plan. You're going to create it in the ceiling plan. Okay. If you have duct going below the ceiling, which is next to never, but you get the picture. Okay, so here in floor plans you're going to create spaces, equipments if it is on the floor. Anything above the ceiling will be created on the ceiling plan. Okay, anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this beautiful class. We see each other in the next class creating What do we create? We see each other in the next class. Okay, placing air terminals and the mechanical equipments, etc., etc., heating load calculation, etc. Take care, and we see each other fresh in the next class. Yalla, bye.